up, you guys? Welcome to the happiest, most magical channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. And if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Lynn. I do a lot of Disney, travel, and lifestyle type vlogs. So if you're into that type of content, I invite you to smash on that subscribe button. That way you don't miss out on anything. Without further ado, let's get into my Halloween home tour for 2021. Alright, so here is our front door. So I just used my Cricut to cut some spiders here and also some bats, and I just used masking tape to tape them up there. And then here is our mat. So the scatter rug came from Target, and then I got the Mickey and Minnie Pumpkin from ShopDisney a couple of years ago. So here is the back of our front door, and as you can see, we've got some more paper spiders and some paper bats up there. And I just love how the sun shines through from the other side of the glass, and we can see the bats on the other side as well as the spiders that I have here on the corner. And it just has a little bit of a spooky factor to the door. I got this monster wreath from ShopDisney probably like 2 or 3 years ago, and I haven't seen it sold online in a while, but I have seen it still sold at the gift shops within Disneyland as well as at Walt Disney World. It's very well made. I actually intended to hang it outside, but I was kind of worried with Alaska's weather elements that it would get ruined, so now he's just hanging out at the back of our front door, and I think he looks great right here. So here are some of the new Loungeflies that my sister got for us. We've got this fun backpack, and these Mickey bats actually glow in the dark. And then my favorite thing about this bag here is that you can use it as a crossbody, or you can also convert it into a backpack. And I believe this design here also glows in the dark. All right, so here is our kitchen. I normally have this sign here hanging out at the front door on the porch, but since it's been windy, I decided to just bring it inside and prop it against the fridge. And next up is this pumpkin Mickey. He's so fun. I got this from ShopDisney probably 2 or 3 years ago, and it's pretty spacious. It holds a ton of candy, so I need to buy candy so I can fill this up. Probably some Reese's for me and maybe some Snickers. What's your favorite candy to fill the bowl with? Your best bet is to buy candy that you actually like. That way, if you have leftovers at the end of Halloween, you'll actually want to eat the rest of your goodies. Moving on this way, I have this fun pumpkin Mickey and Minnie towel. This is about 2 years old now, and I actually just use them for decoration. They're not high quality. In fact, after the first time I washed them, they started fading right away, so I don't really use them for actual cleaning or wiping my hands or anything. They're just there for decorations. Now, if you are looking for Halloween inspired towels for the kitchen, I highly recommend Geometry House towels. These are microfiber and they dry really quickly, so they don't get that funky smell, and they just last longer. They stay clean longer. And I actually have a discount code down below, that way you can get some of your own. They have so many fun Halloween prints right now, and every season they come up with new designs, so be sure to check them out. They're so soft and they never fade when you wash them. So these are very quality, high premium kitchen towels. They are seriously the best towels that I've ever had. All right, so right above the kitchen sink is this fun banner. My sister got this for us last year, and once I figure out what store she got it from, I will link it down below. That way you could check it out if you'd like to. But I love it because it has Ghost Mickey, Ghost Minnie, a Haunted Mansion thingy-majiggy, and then we've got the poison apple and a witch mini hat. So fun. All right, so moving into the kitchen, it's pretty low-key. All I did was add this table runner that I got from Amazon. You guys know how much I love Haunted Mansions, so I knew once I saw it that I had to add it to our collection. All right, so that was the kitchen and the dining area. I don't really go hardcore when I decorate these spaces. I just throw in a couple of spooky things here and there. And honestly, they're not really spooky, right? They're actually kind of cute. My Halloween style is I love cute things. I don't really like scary, spooky things, but what about you guys? Do you like spooky things when you decorate, or do you like cutesy Disney stuff? Let me know down below. So let me show you my coffee bar. So this is my new favorite area to decorate. Down here is just a fun lantern that I added that I got from Fred Meyer a couple of years ago. And then this coffee shop sign came from Michael's last year, so I don't think they sell them there anymore. But most of these spooky little trinkets came from Bullseye's Playground at Target. Can you tell that I shop there a lot? This is just stuff that I collected over the years from that area. And then this print and this print came from 27 Willow Lane on Instagram, and I'll link her Instagram down below. That way you can get yourself a copy if you'd like to. Then I added some more spiders and some more bats, and I just love how this space turned out. What do you guys think? All right, so here is the living room. This is my favorite place to decorate inside the house. As you guys know, I love going all out when it comes to the mantle display. But let's start off over at this table here. As you guys know, Snow White is my favorite Disney princess, and the Evil Queen is actually also my favorite Disney villain. So I had to get this cauldron when I saw it. It's a popcorn bucket from like 2 years ago. Then I have this fun telephone that I need to put batteries in. And then we've got Oogie Boogie here. My friend Lauren got this, and she sent it to me last year, and he's so fun, spooky, and cool. It's a popcorn bucket that they had at Walt Disney World. So one of the first things that I made when I got my Cricut back in 2016 is this canvas. I just used purple spray paint and painted a canvas, and then I used my Cricut to cut out the vinyl, and I placed it on here. And all these years later, it still looks pretty good. All right, so let's talk about the couch. Here is Ghost Mickey and Pumpkin Mickey. I got them both from ShopDisney 2 years ago. And then I got these fun pillowcases off of Amazon. You guys know how much I love Haunted Mansion, so of course I needed to get them for my Haunted Mansion living room. Here is our coffee table. I got those fun plushes from ShopDisney last year. And then I got this table tray from one of the outlet malls in Orlando, probably like 5 or 6 years ago now, so I don't think they have them anymore, but I think it's so fun. I don't typically put stuff on here because I like seeing room for one more on the tray. All right, so here is our entertainment center, and as you guys already know, I love the Evil Queen, so I had to, of course, get the chest, a photo frame, and then I made that sign there with my Cricut. A lot of poison apples. I can't wait to go to Disneyland because I really want to add the metallic poison apple stein to my collection. And then I got those pumpkins from Target. Target. Lots of things from Target. And then most of everything else is from ShopDisney. Oh, actually, this one came from, this little pumpkin here came from Box Lunch. So I thought it was super adorable. And this Haunted Mansion right here is actually by Funko Pop. I am so in love with how this all turned out. There's a lot of details here, so let's go ahead and dive into it. So I got Bat Mickey from Lowe's last year, and we actually had him hanging some other place in the house, but we decided to place him here this year. And we noticed that this area looked kind of naked, so we went to Lowe's this year and we got the Spider Mickey. I thought it was interesting that this Spider Mickey has fangs. I kind of feel like the fangs would have looked better on the bat, but I still think they're cute. So I honestly wasn't feeling Spider Mickey at first. I thought he looked kind of weird, but now that I have it here hanging, I really love how he just complements the space. I got the purple lights from Target last year. This banner came from Bullseye's Playground at Target. I actually got these gift tags from the Great Crafternoon on Instagram, so I thought they were super adorable, and I just decided to place them over the banner. And then as far as all of this stuff goes, there's a lot happening. Of course, you guys already know that I made the spiders and the bats, and again, I'm just using masking tape to hold them in place. So the hitchhiker ghosts came from Disneyland. I want to say that I collected them back in 2018. And then this Funko Pop collection all came from Target. I want to say it was like 2 years ago now. And then Madame Leota came from ShopDisney. I got that from eBay. The stretching room scene, it came from eBay. I got this art print from the Wonderground Art Gallery in downtown Disney over at Disneyland. I used my Cricut to make that sign. I used my Cricut to make these signs. And then I got those prints there from Etsy. Alright, so now we are in the mudroom. That is where our half bath is, and I did a little bit of a Pirates of the Caribbean theme since I have like all of our Disney Cruise stuff in here. So I made this sign with my Cricut, as well as that sign with my Cricut. Then I got the Tombstone Dead Men Tell No Tales from Target. So here are the Disney cruise ships. I know they're pretty dusty right now. This is kind of embarrassing, so I gotta go dust these later. But here is the Dream, the Wander, and then over in this side here is where I have the Fantasy, the Magic, this fun print of all 4 ships, current ships. And then I have this fun print here of Mickey, Minnie, and the Disney Magic at Castaway Cay. And that's not all, folks. On the back of this door is this hanging skull set. I thought it would be fun for our guests when they close the door to use the bathroom if they get spooked out by this guy here. And then at the back of the door is this print of all 4 ships. And I love that Tinkerbell is flying up there in the corner. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this Halloween home tour. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys again real soon.